The Pak-Afghan border crossings in Balochistan's Chaman, Noshki and Chaghe districts are closed for the last 2 months now, suspending cross-border trade and pedestrian movements between the neighboring countries, which remained an economic relief for thousands of people on both sides of the frontier. The relations between Islamabad and Kabul have been stalled after the border skirmishes reported in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan provinces, but the recent standoff commenced by the Afghan border forces at Chaman clearly indicates that the current Afghan regime is not willing to build peace in the region, including in Afghanistan. The chief of Pakistan's Defense Forces Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir has called the current interim Afghan government to choose between Islamabad and terrorist groups, saying the Pakistani forces' operation during the recent conflicts have become textbook example for future warfares.